Today we're going to be looking at 3 aspects of your bike setup. The first aspect we'll be looking at is your seat height. If you notice that you're bouncing while pedaling at a fast cadence, this may be indicative of a saddle that's too high. You also want to make sure you have a slight bend in the knee. This will allow for the most efficient pedal stroke. Here we can appreciate a rider whose knees are coming away from the bike, elbows, and shoulders. Next, let's take a look at proper aero position on a triathlon bike. When we look at elbow position, we're going to try to achieve an angle of 80 to 85 degrees. 90 degrees is ideal if the rider can do this in a comfortable manner. A good rule of thumb is to make sure your elbow is not completely on the pad. Give yourself enough room such that your elbow is hanging off, at least an inch. You'll want to make sure that your knees are not hitting your elbows as you pedal. Now let's take a look at ankle position. When we look at the ankles during our pedal stroke, we want to make sure our ankles aren't deviating, either inward or outward. Instead, you'll want your ankles to be generally in midline. If you're experiencing discomfort while pedaling, consider adjusting the tension adjustment on your pedal. Today we covered just a brief overview of a basic bike setup. For a more detailed and comprehensive bike fit, please don't hesitate to contact one of our professionals here at Quad Multisport.